Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Gerard, Programmed the Right Way. Over time, we get programmed with mistranslations, misconceptions, and contradictions. Mistranslations are beliefs and expectations that have lost their essential meaning. Misconceptions are beliefs and expectations not based on solid truth. Contradictions are beliefs and expectations that have been thwarted from its previous meaning. We listen to the world around us, and little by little, we become programmed with lies. Some knowledge is beneficial. Other knowledge are preconceived notions we picked up along our physical trail. Slowly and gradually, we move into others' perceptions of reality, and we claim it as ours. Their perception has nothing to do with us, but we call it our own. The more we feed ourselves with these lies, the more we become entrenched in this vicious cycle of life. Take a step back and assess your emotions. Listen to your feelings and realize if these thoughts create inner peace and wisdom, or confusion and pessimism. God speaks to us through a spirit of peace and mental clarity. He speaks to us through wisdom and inspiration. He's not a source of confusion or pessimism. What good can you do in a constant state of confusion and pessimism? Can you uplift others? Can you motivate your loved ones? Confusion creates frustration, uneasiness, and poor choices. Pessimism creates unresolved anger, fears of every type, and a negative outlook on life. Eventually, this negative thinking wears you out, and you become battle fatigued, so much that it's difficult to summon the enthusiasm to get up. This negative energy has a way of causing exhaustion, sickness, and burnouts. Out of peace, all answers lies. Out of peace springs forth all wisdom. Isn't it easier to think when your mind is at peace? Isn't it easier to understand when your mind is at peace? Wisdom combined with inspiration has a way of manifesting your deepest desires. When you align your thoughts, words, and actions with the wisdom of God, you allow the inspiration to lead the way. And surely, in time, you will arrive at your destination. Don't allow confusion and pessimism to lead the way. And don't allow misconceptions and preconceptions to find their way indefinitely into your heart and soul. Quiet your mind and find that spirit of stillness and tranquility. In time, your strength and vitality will be rejuvenated and replenished. You'll find that special calling to your happiness and success, and you'll know it's destined to be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I really like this article. It resonates with me so much because it's what I did. When I finally calmed my mind and started letting go of the ego and really focusing on my spirituality and allowing my inner spirit, God, whatever you want to call it inside you, to guide myself. The doors are just opening and I finally know what I truly love to do and what I believe I'm here to do. And it's what I'm doing right now. I believe I was sent here to help with getting the word out there. I'm not great at writing and things like that, but I can be a voice, and that's what I believe I'm here for. I'm the voice for Danny G, and I love being that voice. His mind is beautiful. It's amazing. It's everything I want to say, but I don't know how to say it. So it's a beautiful relationship that we have. I've never been so happy in my entire life doing what I'm doing now. And I hope everybody out there can find the same thing. I don't mean the same thing that I am doing exactly. I mean, find what it is that you desire, you love to do. Do that. Whatever that is, slow your vibrations. You'll find it. Just stick with it. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.